Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a machine that offers some serious bang for your buck, especially if you're in the market for a reliable desktop without breaking the bank. This is the Lenovo ThinkCentre M900 Tower desktop, specifically a renewed model, and it packs quite a punch for its price point. Right off the bat, this is a solid, no-nonsense tower PC. It's powered by an Intel quad-core 5-6500 processor running at 3.2 GHz. Now, while the i5-6500 is a 6th generation chip, it's still a very capable CPU for everyday tasks, office work, browsing, and even some more demanding applications. It handles multitasking smoothly, which is further boosted by the generous 16 GB of DDR4 RAM. Having 16 gigs of RAM means you can have multiple programs open, lots of browser tabs, and switch between them without the system feeling sluggish. Storage is where this particular configuration really shines. You get a lightning-fast 1 TB SSD, which is fantastic for your operating system, applications, and frequently accessed files. Boot times will be quick, and programs will load in a flash. On top of that, it includes a 500 GB traditional hard drive, providing ample space for storing larger files like documents, photos, videos, and backups. This dual drive setup gives you the best of both worlds, speed and capacity. For graphics, it relies on the integrated Intel HD graphics. While this isn't a gaming powerhouse for modern titles, it's perfectly capable of handling standard desktop tasks, video playback, and even supports 4K resolution output across 2 monitors simultaneously via DisplayPort and VGA. So, if you need a machine for productivity, streaming high-resolution content, or running multiple displays, this fits the bill. Connectivity is covered with built-in ports, and importantly for a renewed unit, it comes with a USB Wi-Fi adapter and Bluetooth 4.0, so you're ready to connect wirelessly right out of the box. They even include a keyboard and mouse, which is a nice touch, meaning you just need a monitor to get started. It comes pre-installed with Windows 10 Pro 64-bit, which is a robust operating system suitable for both home and professional use, supporting multiple languages. Now, the fact that this is a renewed unit is key to its value. According to the description, it's in excellent condition, having been tested and cleaned by qualified vendors. Buying renewed is a great way to save money and reduce electronic waste, and the included 90-day warranty provides some peace of mind. Overall, the renewed Lenovo ThinkCentre M900 Tower with this specific configuration, the i5-6500 16 GB RAM, and the 1 TB SSD plus 500 GB HDD combo, presents a compelling option for anyone needing a reliable, fast, and versatile desktop for productivity, media consumption, or general home use on a budget. It offers a significant performance upgrade over older machines, especially thanks to that SSD, and provides a solid foundation for years of use.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.